person to person. Otherwise, it has a four skill LSRW. But people they don't like reading and writing. People they like only listening and speaking. But practice means we have to do four skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Those are interconnection each other. Then if anyone take two skill, then they take time to speak better English. Right? Good at in English. Four skill. You- Right. Every right. Hmm. Yeah. You are right. You are right. But where that person listen and with whom that person speak? Tell me. Because we don't have atmosphere. That's why we have to focus on reading right. 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 Because of right. Yeah. And in this type of platform, we connect with different state people, country people, language person, right? We cannot tell physical person or our friend and colleagues, I want to practice English in language and I want to talk with you, half an hour. But we cannot tell. Right. Mm-hmm. Right. 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 No, that's I got your point because I can understand because I am also language learner. You are also language learner. Right now, you can speak fluently without hesitation. Then I can evaluate you how much did you do hard work, right? Because you also at once you were also a beginner. Right now, you are a fluent speaker. Then zero to hero, right? Beginner, yeah. Right, right. Everyone they do also, and even though you see who are good speaker, fluent speakers, still they are doing hard work. That's why if you never ever talk 10 to 20 minutes per day, then we may lose our fluency and confidence. Right. That's why at least we should communicate with anyone in English. Right. But sometimes it hectic to connect with someone, right? Sometimes it hectic to practice ourselves, but we have it that kind of suppose we cannot talk with 1 month 2 month or suddenly we start talking with someone, then we feel hesitate and we don't get that fluency after 10 minutes. Right, 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 and right, right, right. Right. That's why language required or depends devotion, dedication, consistency, motivation, habit, those kind of ingredient required to enhance any languages. Right? Right, right, Yeah. Discipline lead to consistency. Discipline leads to consistency because if you don't have discipline, then how you cultivate your habit? And if you don't have habit, how can you consistency take long time, right? Then everything required those kind of ingredient to learn any kind of thing, not only language in our personal life or in our professional life. If you want to grow your professional life or personal life, then definitely we should focus discipline, habit, consistency, devotion, dedication. Those are required, right? Right. Right. Hmm. Right. 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 You cannot tell anyone. Means language takes 6 months or 4 months. You cannot tell anyone. It depends upon person to person. If you invest 22 hours per day, then within short period anyone can they speak and they can convey their message, right? But it depend only timing. How much time do you invest with language? That's it. Or if someone they never invest their time. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Definitely. Of course, definitely. That's why we can convey our message. We can learn survival language. We cannot tell, then they can learn deeply and they have a good knowledge in English. It is a language. Anytime we can learn and we can update ourselves. We cannot tell it's okay, I can speak fluently, then it's enough for me. We cannot tell because vocabulary is a backbone of languages, right? It's okay. Right now, I ask you, where are you from? What do you do? What's your qualification? What's your degree? It is not enough to a good at in English, right? That is a survival language. Anyone can they learn, anyone can speak. Communication is a different. Communication is an art. Language is a language, right? But people they don't know difference between communication and language. The people, I don't do anything. I'm a language learner. What do you think about me? I can speak fluently my mother tongue Odia. I'm from Odisha and I'm beginner in Hindi and English and I'm learning Hindi and English. Sometimes I make mistake Hindi, but I can read write fluently in Hindi. But speaking part sometimes I make mistake. Hindi is not my mother tongue, but I know what I'm learning in English. Thank you. Then that is a means if I'm not a regular user in this platform. Sometime I use. After a long time I'm using this platform. Yeah. Then apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your spoken part? Hmm. Just Joestock I heard, but I never used that platform. I heard that platform people they connect with different language learner, co-learner, and they practice. But before it was in different. Right now, it is a different. People they tell because if I connect with any language learner, they tell I used to use in Joestock. Right now, I don't use, and I am using this platform. They tell as fluency. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Right, because of us fluency, CV, both platform you connect with professional people because of they hide their personal life and professional life because they don't know each other, but they want to grow their personal and professional life. That's why they are using this platform. They want to create English speaking atmosphere, right? At least. And this platform, even though you see, if you come online, you connect with someone and you practice with them because we don't know our mother tongue, right? But we can communicate each other through English language. English language is a bridge. English language connect two people, connects two state people, connects two